Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the DJI Spark, which was released on April 15, 2017. And the question we have is, 3 years down the road, is this still a good drone? And just for the heads up, the DJI Spark has been discontinued. Well, this was a major upgrade for many people when it was released, and also it was quite affordable. Weighed 300 gram. It weighs 300 grams, and it has about 15 minutes of flight time. The big plus for the DJI Spark was you could actually park it, travel with it within a small size factor. It came with a case, and the camera was also quite good. um Top speed was about 31 miles per hour in the sport mode without any wind, and representing DJI's smaller consumer level drones, the DJI Spark, I would say, was one of the best iterations that they've had. It really got the drone to many consumers and introduced the world of filming from above to many new converts. So for the camera, it has 12 megapixels actually, and the video resolution is, it will do 1920 by 1080 p at 30 frames per second. So this is excellent when lighting conditions outside are normal to very bright. And then for, let's see, they said aperture size for the lens, I believe it's about 35 millimeter equivalent. So that's wide, but not crazy wide to the point where you will have a lot of distortion on the images you record. So it has about it uses Wi-Fi, of course, and the range is about, I believe, about 100 meters, which is okay for most uses. The battery is 2970 milliamp hours, and that's gives you about 15 minutes of flight time. In real world use, you would have about maybe 10 minutes. This drone, many people have reported that the battery falls out. So since I have mine, I just mainly charge it from with the battery still in the drone. I don't take it out anymore. And right above where you have the battery level indicator is where you have the slot for your memory card. So all in all, I think this is still a very valid drone and legit drone that you can use in 2020 without having to worry too much about buying a more expensive drone. I think for a beginner, you can get a used one, and this will satisfy most people who are starting out in the drone world. If you have a DJI Spark or you plan on getting one, even though it's discontinued, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think.